Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Ban pen thamai ban pen khlan ya karukam pulia dangle ha ka jylla ka sarkar kalawan ra ka hi kai thamai ding ba ka kynhun myntri jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Ha kasni palai kala Mynjur ka jingpule bat pen bhai ki jingtei jong ka puli puthi ba kham shalor. Kani ka sinjam ka thmu ya artali ki jing e ba kongsan ki jingduna jaka shong ba ka jingdunai ki linti puli ha ka lengi school sarkar. Uba polling do nong aiktin ka sarkar MDA ubadairu menteri katanat social welfare haba benrap ya kaman balawan ra ka kynhun menteri ka sarkar MDA ha ka jingyalam u konrat ki sangma ban kyntiew ya ka puli puthi ha ka jylla jongi kadon ka jingduna ha ka jingla ban pediang ki khanna ka bayeng haduk hat ar hajar tali ki jaka shong bar kadon ru ka jingbun briu ka baklem yahap jungki school he khambun ha ki jaka sor ula ong ban penbet yakini ki jingduna on kentiu kadan yaki hinriu teli ki school sarkar shaka kadan higher secondary kini ki kentup rembai secondary school east jante hills ka school thlong nong thliu ban terwa ya baro artli ki stream arts but science ka school nong talang tirat sing memorial school tura bat joai kani ka jingpen bha lakmi lenti bakan pinmi hadu khandai hajar teli jaka shong bala pendap ka ba penduna shibun ya ka jingduna ka bladan lupa Nalor kata ka kynhun menteri kala Mynjur ban penrung ye kirukam puli bathamai haki katu kat ni school he ki baladan lupa ban penti kana ye karukam hikai ka bakham janai kalan science on penrung haki school sarkar kum katirot sing memorial school hanong khlau school tura dalu secondary school west garu hills ka school bakmars jowai sokha kini ki school ki don ye ki phang arts but science but menta kinyo ye ka jingmentoi na ka commerce kum ka phang na ka do uba lingdo Ka arts on Sapenrung Hajirang Resubel Para Maharam High Secondary School Maukerwan Baro Kitnat Science but Commerce Ban Penrung Haga School United Kharkuta High Secondary School North Garo Hills Ka School Malangkuna Baro on Penbha ya Hendriu Tili School He Bar Khatwei Tili School He Ki Bladan Lupa on Penbha da ki Rukam Puli ki Bathamai Ka jingpule pisa mala usnem na kabenta kani ka jingpinhe ya ka puli puthi la antat bakan nong ko bashi folklore tingka ka sarkar ka khmi lenti ba kani ka jingbei tingka kan pinbha shibun ya ka jingla banyo ya ka jingpuli ka babha khamtam ha ki jaka nong kendong bar ki jaka baduna ka jing shakri
ya ka education limba ka ba laran tansi ba kadon ka jing duna ya benta nak hagi district baro macam bakadeng kadon ka shortfall ke jinguna ba khatar ya PC hagi ne ki school ki badai ki secondary school ya ki ba ka kan intagasi klarai ba ni kyntiew no ya ki real tli ki secondary school shaki higher secondary school kata kalong ke Rembai government secondary school East Jati Hills Thlong Nong Cleo Government Secondary School, Nong Talang Government Secondary School, Tirot Singh Memorial Government Secondary School, and so Tura Public School, Batka Jowai Public School. Ini kini secondary school, ya kiba nila rai, ban kyntiew no iki shaka higher secondary level. Nangta kidan pada ki school kiba mdan ya ki stream, kum kanuksa ke commerce stream kaba ngin wanrak thamai no ha government boys higher secondary school tura dalu government secondary school west garo hills bakmara government higher secondary school bakmara government boys higher secondary school jowai but sokha government higher secondary school sokha nangta kidon ki school pat ki bamdon ya science stream kumkat Tirot Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Nong Khlau nang ta ka Malangkona Government Higher Secondary School Malangkona United Kharkuta Government Higher Secondary School North Garo Hills kini gin manra no ya hikai ya ka science stream kidan pat kibamdan ya ka art stream kini ki kentup ya ka Jirang Government Secondary School Ribhoi District bat Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Maukerwat ya ke ba ila berai ban introduce no ya ka art stream de ki post ya kiba ni la Mynjur hakini ki kyntiew teli ki school kalau she spotlight punyo teli but ya kita ki bangin upgrade habai kain lang to financial implication lani ke jingluk jiksap yang ke sarkar kalong shipau kuror prapu wei lak kendai punyo hajar san spa san pau tingka mangasna kata kadai hakajing dari bakat education tinggal Mynjur ru pa namar bangin kempedapsu ya kena ke post yang director of civil defense but makidon ki officers ki pala don slam ha service ban la ban ai mesim chu ya kajing trek am jongki namar ki la don ke experience ki aslam ha kam tinggal Mynjur ba in pauno ek post yang director jongka civil defense dakaba ni amen ya kamelia civil defense and home guards service rules kakandai spa po kandai de mantu hakajingi dei pat bat kani ka bangi ongka vehicle scrappage policy kani ka ba ni raban wengno penumsha penyacu asurok ya kali kiba la rim kiba kata ya ka jungko jongkal air ka fuel efficiency di bat ban kamtam ban address ya ka jing e jong ka jing khatnya ka ba hasar shulong ru ni tang ha shulong gidon arlak nyo kunriu hajar aspa drup art liki kali di ban le ekani ni la rai ba kali kiba ba khatan snem shaneng kiba ki kali jongka sarkar kita nak sarkar kiba don san hajatali kini shimnok bakim long ruut wa dia kabamat numsha chu bakin ya bakin play ki surak but ki kali pada kiba long try de ki briu shimet private vehicles min shimi kiba life husan snem bat shaneng kini gidon prahajar teli kabamut khatlai hajar teli kini ki kali kenom dan chu asurak mas introduce ya kanika scrappage policy pat bani notify ka de kwat ka kya ni ibaki ni ki bangi onki traditional medicine allopathy kanika homeopathy nganong ayurveda yoga naturopathy kibari kibala aslang ban pau hagai jelang ni ni raiba in donno ki service rules narumda kini ki jajing sumar ya kaba ni aikateng ke Meghalaya Ayush medical service rules arajar aku sa tadi kira very important decisions were taken at today's cabinet meeting. First and foremost, we took up the need to upgrade the quality of education in our state. As you are aware, there is a deficit in our intake capacity at the 11 standard, which stands at 12,000 seats. And there is also a disproportionate concentration of higher secondary schools, mostly in urban areas and in the Khasi Jatia Hills region. So to address this shortfall, the cabinet today decided to upgrade a total number of 6 government secondary schools to higher secondary schools. These are the Rambai Government Secondary School, East Jaintia Hills District, the Umthlong Nongkleo Government Secondary School, which will now have arts and science stream, Nongtalang Government Secondary School, Nongtalang, Tirot Singh Memorial Government Secondary School, Watkinsow, Tura Public School, and Jawai Public School. These schools will now be upgraded from secondary to higher secondary schools. and will meet this shortfall by adding around 9,000 new seats immediately. That apart, another very important decision was that we would add new streams in certain higher secondary schools which do not have those streams currently. These will be the science stream for Tirot Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, Nong Klau, commerce streams in Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Tura, Dalu Government Secondary School, West Garo Hills, Bakmara Government Higher Secondary School, Bakmara, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Jawai, and Sokha Government Higher Secondary School, Sokha. These schools, which currently only have arts and science streams, will now get the benefit of the addition of commerce as a stream. Arts stream, which currently is not being taught, will now be introduced in Jiran Government Secondary School, Riboy District, Resubelpara Government Higher Secondary School, Resubelpara, and Mahram Government Higher Secondary School, Maukarwa. This is in the arts stream. In the science and commerce streams, we will add United Karkuta Government Higher Secondary School, North Garo Hills, Malankona Government Higher Secondary School, Malankona, which will now also have science streams. So, in all, 6 government higher secondary schools will be upgraded to higher secondary, and 11 schools which do not have certain streams will now have those streams. The financial implication of the introduction of these new streams and the upgradation of public schools from secondary to higher secondary schools will cost the government exchequer roughly 10 crores per annum.